Nanning LVcheng Environmental Protection Equipment Company Limited was founded on December 2008. The factory locates in Liangqing area, Nanning City, Guangxi Province. It is a high-tech environmental protection company, integrating R&D, production and sales. The company specializes in gas disposal industry and uses high-voltage static electricity as the leading technology to design and produce various commercial electrostatic smoke filter, ESP, and industrial oil mist filtration system. The company has passed ISO 9001, CE, and other national tests, and has national-level independent technology patents. Our company has the ability to develop and produce the core power supplies independently. The high-frequency, high-voltage power source has the advantages of large power, small temperature rise, long service life, and so on. The power supply is not only applied to the company's full-line products, but also to peer manufacturers. Our industrial electrostatic precipitator system can be used in the PVC industry and textile industry, such as artificial leather foaming furnace, PVC wallpaper, PVC gloves, stanter machine, and other DOP fume purification and recycling. The equipment is energy-saving and can efficiently remove the oil mist and achieve resource reuse. In the past 10 years, we have gained good reputation from customers in China's domestic market, Southeast Asia, Europe, and other international markets. In the next few decades, we will stick to quality as always.